There's not a real aftertouch with the Maschine Plus, fortunately, but what you can do is, depending on how hard you press it, you get a different sample, and you can have a couple of them, in this case 4, and you can add a new sound on top of it as well. So just real strange guitar on it. I said load, and I said you only have to play it in a real low velocity, and depending on how hard I press it, and when I put this note repeat, for example, you can add all different kinds of effects. So kind of after touch you can use doing a note repeat and multiple samples recorded. This was the starting point of Lucien Kit. Yes.